Hey everyone! Looking for the best Gotrax electric scooter to make your rides smoother, faster, and more fun? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing Gotrax scooters of the year, considering speed, range, build quality, portability, and safety features. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Let's get started, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Gotrax Fusion Seat Electric Scooter. The Gotrax Fusion Seat scooter makes my daily commute smooth and efficient. With a 300W motor and 18 miles per hour top speed, I get where I need to go quickly and safely. The 8.5-inch solid honeycomb tires and rear dual suspension absorb bumps and rough terrain, giving me a stable, comfortable ride every time. I love that it comes with a foldable seat, so I can choose to sit or stand depending on the trip. No extra purchases needed. The LED digital display keeps me informed with speed, battery life, and cruise control status at a glance. Safety is a priority too, thanks to the ABS and rear disc brake system, which gives me reliable stopping power. With a 14-mile range per charge and a lightweight aluminum frame, it's perfect for urban travel. Backed by a 365-day limited assurance and UL 2272 certification, it's a smart, secure choice for everyday riders. Number 4. Gotrax Solid Tire Electric Scooter. The Gotrax Eclipse is built for serious commuting. With a 500W motor and 20 miles per hour top speed, it powers through hills and city streets with ease. I get up to 28 miles of range from the removable 36V12AH battery, which makes charging and replacement super convenient. The ride feels smooth thanks to the front double suspension, which handles bumps and uneven roads like a champ. I also appreciate the 10-inch inner honeycomb solid tires. They grip well, resist punctures, and require zero maintenance. For added security, the electric code lock protects the digital display, so no one can power it on without the password. The LED screen shows speed, battery life, and cruise control status at a glance. With a max load of 264 pounds and a foldable frame, it's perfect for daily use. It's a sleek, durable scooter that blends performance, comfort, and smart features into one reliable ride. Number 3. Gotrax XR Ultra Electric Scooter. The Gotrax XR Ultra is my go-to for quick, reliable commuting. It's lightweight at just 26.7 pounds, and the one-step folding system makes it super easy to carry and store. Perfect for subways, buses, or tight spaces. Powered by a 300W motor, it reaches speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour and handles up to 264 pounds, giving me smooth performance every ride. The 8.5-inch honeycomb solid tires offer great cushioning and never need maintenance. No flats, no fuss. I get up to 13 miles of range from the removable 36V battery, which is easy to swap when needed. The non-slip deck keeps me steady, and cruise control adds convenience on longer stretches. Backed by a 1-year assurance and UL 2272 certification, it's a safe, smart choice whether I'm commuting or gifting it to someone special. Stylish in pink and built for adults, this scooter blends portability, power, and comfort into one sleek ride. Number 2. Gotrax Apex Series Electric Scooter. The Gotrax Apex XL is my everyday ride for city commuting. With a 250W motor and a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it's powerful enough to handle urban streets while staying energy efficient. I get up to 12 miles of range from the 36V 5.2Ah battery, and the foldable, lightweight frame makes it easy to carry and store wherever I go. The 8.5-inch anti-flat honeycomb tires give me a smooth, worry-free ride. No punctures, no maintenance. I really appreciate the larger LED display, which keeps me updated on speed, battery life, and cruise control at a glance. Safety is solid too, thanks to the rear disc brake and ABS system, plus bright headlights and brake lights for nighttime visibility. With a wide non-slip deck and a 264 pounds weight limit, it's built for comfort and stability. Backed by a 1-year assurance and UL 2272 certification, it's a smart, reliable choice. Number 1. Gotrax GKS Electric Scooter. The Gotrax GKS is the perfect starter scooter for kids aged 6 to 12. It's lightweight and easy to handle, weighing just 17 pounds and sized right for younger riders. The thumb button control system makes operation simple, left for braking, right for acceleration, so kids can ride confidently without confusion. With a top speed of 7.5 miles per hour, it's fast enough for fun but safe enough for peace of mind. I love the dual braking system, combining an electronic brake and rear foot brake for quick, secure stops. The non-slip deck and solid rubber tires add stability and comfort, while the rechargeable, replaceable battery gives up to 4 to 6 miles of range per charge. Built to meet UL 2272 safety standards and backed by a 1-year assurance, it's a reliable, fun, and practical gift for birthdays or holidays. Whether cruising around the neighborhood or riding at the park, this scooter brings smiles and safe adventures. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay connected.